Welcome to Lesson 7 of the Chillstar '08 Resource Toolbox. This is the whole point. Everything in this community, the courses, the tools, the commissions, the residual income, it all leads here to a life where you have the time and the money to actually go somewhere. I'm a Union Journeyman Electrician. 4 vacations already in 2026, 2 more coming in July. A Chillstar Travel presented R&B Tour Experience in Detroit, and my 30th high school class reunion in the Dominican Republic, built on digital income, without quitting my trade, without showing my face. Inside this lesson, you'll find Chillstar Travel, my travel agency, along with every cruise line I personally book, shore excursions, airport transfers, international eSIM cards, travel insurance, and more. If travel feels far away right now, keep it as your why. Let it remind you what you're building toward. The soft life is not a dream. It's a destination. Build in silence, live in abundance.